Phi Phi Don Island in Thailand, 22 years of change. Tropical paradise, a popular tourist destination. The island has changed over the last 22 years. Once a quiet, peaceful haven at a slow pace, is now a fast, busy, paced, crowded, noisy, chaotic party island. Before, the view was dominated by greenery, treetops. Now the view is dominated by concrete buildings. Let's compare footage between 2002 and 2024. A good friend of mine visited in 2002 and took some video footage. I went in 2024, found a completely different place to the one he had visited. From peaceful to overcrowded, from nature to concrete. Phi Phi Islands are in the Andaman Sea in southern Thailand. The 2004 tsunami hit Phi Phi Island. It was triggered by a massive earthquake off Sumatra with a magnitude of 9.1. The tsunami devastated the popular tourist destination. It destroyed much of the infrastructure and caused an estimated 4,000 deaths. The tsunami hit on December 26th. With waves up to 6.5 metres high, inundating the low-lying village of Ton Sai. The island rebuilt. It rebuilt its tourism industry to a much larger scale and much wider spread than before. The views from Viewpoint 2 are remarkably different. In 2002, the view was dominated by green, treetops, nature. Now, in 2024, the view is dominated by concrete buildings. Viewpoint 2 now has a timber viewing platform. It has 2 restaurants and cafes. It's a very busy place, very popular for that great Instagram shot. You now have to pay a cash fee to access the viewpoints. You didn't used to have to pay. There is now Viewpoint 1 too, with signs and shops and seats. Viewpoint 1 was not established in 2002. The view is mostly of buildings.
Now to walk back down.
About 200 metres from my little hut is this.
In 2002, it looked so very quiet and peaceful here on Ton Sai Beach. Paradise. 2024, it's a different vibe. It's completely crowded, busy, noisy, and chaotic. 2002 is so peaceful. Let's look at Ton Sai Bay a bit more. In 2024, it's crowded with motorboats.
Places everywhere you look, there's a view. There's just a little around from the rest because it's another bay. Oh, there's another view.
2002, east of the pier and Ton Sai Beach is wonderful and peaceful and quiet. Come 2024, it's motorboats and crowded and noisy. In 2002, the Ton Sai Pier area was peaceful.
Those noises in the background are the motors on these longboats. And they sort of get any engine they can and stick on the back. It's quite funny, really. There's a jetty where everyone disembarks.
In 2024, there's concrete walls, concrete boardwalk, there's a bigger pier, there's bigger boats and more boats. I'll come back to the pier again. Keep watching. Loh Dalum Beach, wow, was so peaceful. In 2002, you could hear the gentle waves on the shore. There are more speedboats on this side with day tours. In 2024, you could hear people and motorboats.
The white buildings in the background are my resort, and you can see the shade of all these trees. Lagoon. You may not get an impression of how wonderful the water is. Oh, it's very sweet, very clear.
2022 and the longboats are small compared to the longboats are much bigger now in 2024 than they were 22 years ago. They need to cater for more people now, and there are so many more boats. Along Loh Dalum Beach there are shade trees with sunbeds and lots of restaurants. Back at the Ton Sai Pier, and it's very busy arriving at Phi Phi Don Island by ferry. Pay a fee to enter the island and make your way through the crowds. When you arrive on Phi Phi Don, you need to pay 20 baht in cash for waste management levy. Make sure you have some cash with you. You'll see Burger King. Oh, don't worry, McDonald's is just behind it. I'll show you shortly. 2002, the streets look quiet and peaceful and slow-paced and pretty chill.
Absolutely wonderful pancakes here.
Like the coffee club at the pier, and McDonald's is a busy area to be in. 2024, the streets are chaos. People are rushing, pushing, dodging, weaving. Arriving at Phi Phi Island, you are greeted not only by thousands of people and absolute chaos, but also the big franchises: Burger King, Coffee Club, McDonald's, 7-Elevens. Ton Sai village is a concrete jungle of restaurants, shops, supermarkets and nightclubs. It is a maze of concrete and electrical cables overhead. The people are all in a hurry. They're walking fast, they're pushing past, they're weaving around each other. It felt like chaos. There was no calm, there was no peace. The vibe was hurry, crowds, chaos, noise. Everyone's on a mission. There are no sandy pathways, only concrete. Luggage and goods are moved around the island by men pushing carts, very quickly dodging in and out of people, almost running people over all the time. Famous reggae bar, where you can see tourists box each other. The famous Ibiza pool party. Looks like lots of fun. After the sun sets, the island is a party nightclub now. Loh Dalum Beach has nightclubs and fire shows at night. It's not peaceful and it's not quiet. The music pumping from these nightclubs can be heard all over the island until 2 a.m. every night. Drink cocktails from buckets, not glasses or cups. Watch fire shows and dance. Skip over fire ropes and limbo under fire poles to get a free shot of alcohol to drink, so you can get the courage to go again. Fluoro paint. Buy some laughing gas. You can ride the mechanical bull. I didn't hang around to watch that. Voila. This is the expert. He is one of the fire show performers and can get under at this level. Buy cocktails in a bucket. Bars, rest a reggae bar. You don't need a ticket. However, you must buy at least one drink to get the island. There are 5 bars, pool tables, and in the middle a boxing ring. Then go and watch drunk tourists box each other up. Tourists volunteer to box each other. As a reward for their boxing, they are given a bucket cocktail. Phi Phi Don Island has changed. Hit that like and subscribe so you can bookmark me and find me again. Happy travelling, travel safe and enjoy the journey.